Sup y'all, last time you guys saw me, I was in Wander Ponte Vedra in sunny Florida. Now, all hands on deck for Wander Vail Valley, which is going to be our newest Wander. It's gonna be a blast. We typically don't do renovation projects, but this one is gonna be worth it once you see the final result. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and you also get to see the final walkthrough of Wander Vail once it's completely finished, which is gonna be pretty sweet if I say so myself. We got plenty of work to do, so let's head out, why don't we?
Alright, we're out here at Vail Valley at this beautiful house, and we're doing some bathroom remodels. We're gonna make this place gorgeous.
Dressed for winter activities. I got my Sorrels. Oh, yep. Pass me a shovel. God damn it. Alrighty.
Alright, today we have got to clear out all the trash from Wander Vail, and we're going to be finishing up all of our hardware. I'm going to be finishing up some bunk beds. I think the boys will finish up some drywalling for the pocket shades.
We got, garage doors that we got to prep for tomorrow. Countertops are coming tomorrow. I mean, there's a lot of stuff happening this week, so it's going to be a fun week. Big stretch, come on. Yep, give me a kiss. Oh, good boy. Yeah. Yes. Good boy.
Today I'm going to be heading out to Home Depot to pick up some drywall. My goal is going to be to get some drywall measurements for these bunk beds, set up some shop in the garage, cut all the drywall up, bring it up the elevator, and build these bunk beds.
The painters are coming here to prep. Garage door people should be coming here today as well.
Plumbers are on Thursday. Yeah, pretty much.
What's up everybody? I'm Patrick. I'm the new Wander electrician, just fixing some lights here, changing out all new bulbs, getting it bright. Got Charlie over there helping Zach. He's my #1 helper, and good to go.
It's not flush.
Yeah.
So when I put that piece on, I gotta account for this notch. And so what I have to do is basically frame in this wall, which I'm doing right now, a 1/4 inch off, to keep it clean here. New garage door looks absolutely sweet. Like they said, this definitely screams there's gonna be a Tesla behind here.
Yep.